Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Got some exciting news. Going in again for some R&D, this time at AFE, and nothing too crazy, but gonna do some R&D for a new charge pipe that they're developing. Derek couldn't make it this time, so he decided to pass the baton to me. Again, with the R&D and it being a charge pipe, the request or the requirement is to have the stock intake and the stock bypass valve on. So this is like the third or fourth time that I've done this, so at this point I should be able to do it in record time. Who knows, but excited. Again, shout out to Derek for hitting me up, and shout out to Kenny at AFE for giving me the details on the charge pipe sort of information. So tomorrow going to head over there and we'll see how it goes. The car should be there for 2 days. Yeah, shouldn't be anything too super crazy, so we'll see. Stay tuned. Here we go again. Things I do for this blow off valve. Almost there. Back to stock. Alright, kids is dropped off, daycare before R&D, and we're off. Gonna head to AFE and drop off the car. We'll see how much I can film in there, maybe get some B-roll. I don't know if I'll be able to talk to Kenny or if they want to be on camera, but stay tuned and let's head over there. Just a random guy walking in and out of the street. I don't know. See you later. There it goes. Alright. Got my right here, the Genesis. What's up, Foo?
What up, man?
Took you so long. A lot of traffic?
Construction.
You got the, yeah, out here is a hell of traffic, huh?
I'll just
About the GB?
Glendale, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, just got back from AFE. Yeah, didn't get too much info. Shout out to Henry who met me outside and checked in the car. But hopefully when I go pick up the car, I'll have more details on, you know, what the charge pipe and how the install went. So, man, my fingers in the, jeez. So stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated. Oh shoot, got the automatic door. What's up? Back at it again.
Yeah, see, Tesla's better driving than me.
Going hands free. And it's like There it is.
So the cold
I see it
pipe is
there.
right here.
Yeah.
That's the throttle body. So it goes from the intercooler right here
Uh-huh.
up like diagonally.
Uh-huh.
Got your blow off valve connected to it and whatnot. There's a couple sensors on it.
Cool. So if I wanted to put the aftermarket, I just still connect it in the same spot.
Same
Awesome.
exact thing.
Cool.
Same exact spot.
Yeah.
There's no adapter or anything.
Okay.
It's
Just
same
kind of connects
exact
to the same area.
Yeah, exactly.
So connects that intercooler to here.
Up to the throttle body,
Yeah,
and then the
throttle
other
body.
one, the intercooler is on this side
Yeah.
for the hot
So
side.
this is the hot side here?
Yep, this is the hot side, and it goes back and it snakes up to the turbo right here.
Oh, okay.
So it's a 2-bolt flange that connects to the bottom of the turbo. It's just a pain in the butt to get to.
That's why you have to lift the car to get under it. or
Yeah,
something.
exactly.
Ah.
Yeah.
All right, car's ready to go. Thanks for the ride. Hit him up, Clark Capital,
Yeah.
home mortgages.
Purchase, refinance, California, Arizona, Texas. Take care. No problem.
All right, see you later, man.
All right, Kevin.
Cool. So heading back now, just picked up the car from AFE. Sorry for the weird angle, my top mount fell off, so you have to look at my double chin. But yeah, shout out to Kenny at AFE for explaining all the details about the charge pipe. He told me it was a 1/4 inch larger all around, and it is both the cold side as well as the long and short hot side that will come with the kit. I do have to come in again. One of the tubings for the short hot side was just a little bit too short. So we'll probably look to kind of bring the car in for the afternoon to get that situated, but shouldn't be a big deal. I don't think I have to like leave the car there overnight again. You know, as I was researching what the charge pipe kits do, this mod isn't going to add horsepower. If anything, this mod is to help one, additional cooling, airflow obviously, but will help when you look to add additional power or boost. This will help protect the engine a little bit more. You know, wouldn't want to buy this if you're not looking to add lots of power like an ECU tune or a new turbo, but it is great to kind of lend the car out for R&D to make sure all the fittings fit. I have sort of the prototype in the car now, but the final will have all the correct measurements, etc., etc. So again, shout out to Derek. I know he couldn't make it for this product, and you know they were testing his car initially, so it's essentially his charge pipe just as much. So oh my god, these bumps killing me. Shout out to Kenny and Luis at AFE and Henry for helping me out, and yeah, look out for another product for the Kona N. Stay tuned. If you like this video, drop a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Sorry for the weird angle. Peace.